The humble surfacer planer. This happens to be an over and under. It has the thickness portion underneath and the surfacer portion on the top. And as you can see, it has adjustable tables, front and back, in feed and out feed. Yeah, yet the humble plane does not. And as you can see, this is machined perfectly flat. Now, the reason for the adjustable tables is so the outfeed table will support the piece of wood once it's removed a piece of material. Otherwise, what's going to support that piece that's been, after it's been removed? There's nothing there to support the piece of wood, is there? It just won't work. No. Same is with the actual tile plane, such as this Ryobi Professional. Yes, they did used to make professional tools, not like those weird companies yet now. Anyway, well, this also has an adjustable toe. That basically sets the depth of cut. This table, the back table, the in-feed table, goes up and down, and that sets the depth of cut. Well, it's a little bit different on this because you're pushing it over, so it's in reverse. So that has an adjustable foot, but a hand plane does not. Well, the fact is, the hand plane, once you've made your first pass, your cut, is actually supporting itself toe and heel, and not behind the actual plane iron. The funny thing is that it still does an amazing job. It trues a piece of wood up beautifully, even though it doesn't have adjustable tables. Now, one of the reasons is because the shavings are so goddamn thin, you see. You use a machine like this to take off a small amount of material. You use a machine, a hand tool like this. Use a machine like this to remove more material fast. But also you can use it to remove a small amount of material. Oh, let me demonstrate. So we have it set very deep at the moment. Let's move that over a little bit because I've got no guards installed. Now, I don't, the piece of wood's high, if it's high enough, I don't use any push sticks or anything. I just make sure I clench my fists, okay? And just do that with my fists, yeah, okay? Think of computer games. Beep, 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 okay? I don't know, Space Invaders, whatever it is. Or maybe you're playing tennis. So, I don't need to pass this over the piece of wood. I'm taking a big shave, about 3 mils come off all in one go. But also, it can take a small amount of wood off, and there's no snipe or anything like that. It's perfectly true. Not as smooth as what I would get with a hand plane, no, but it is true. Now, if I want to take less, I'll just adjust the back table and move it up, basically, to reduce the amount of cutter block exposed. A little bit less now, I suppose, can't we? Yeah, let's go a little bit less. Let's take about 0.5 millimetre now. What about there? Let's go about there. Yeah, that'll do. Happens to be a little bit smooth. It's still not the finish that I would expect to get out of a hand plane. So you see, they are very different tools. They work differently. They don't work the same. And the reason why these actually produce a good finish and can true a piece of wood up, obviously, the longer the hand plane, same difference with the machines themselves as well, longer the tables or longer the hand plane, the straighter your piece of wood will become. But you're still balancing between 2 points because you're creating the void with the plane iron, and then there's nothing supporting it behind the actual plane iron itself in this area here. So they are different, but they still both work. Anyway, thank you for a bit more. It's a bit preemptive, wasn't it? If you're most kind, please boop the old like button. I'll get my words out in a minute. My worms, yes. Okay, please boop the old like button. Maybe subscribe to the channel, a little bit icon, because then you get one worm. Oh, blimey. I give in. Anyway, boop the old flipping like button, will you? Toodaloo.